Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Thought I'd show you a couple of my pistols. Actually, I've been collecting guns and silver I've been collecting guns for about 3 years now, and just recently, about a year ago, I started collecting silver. Down there at the left, we got a Glock 21 chambered in 45 with a KPOS. It's from Israeli Arms, and it's a Chris Vector Glock 21 25 plus round clip. Also have a SIG tactical there. Got a Beretta tactical as the rail, whatnot. Glock 42. FNX tactical right there. Can actually be fitted with an RMR. Probably seen in Call of Duty or whatnot. Up there in the right, I've got a Carbon 15 Bushmaster with a EOTech. Has the GG&G shroud on it for the protect the lens. It's a real nice gun. I'm actually in the middle of doing paperwork for it to convert it over to SBR. I already have the tag for that sucker over there. And here's my Kimber 1911s. Have a Custom 2 5-inch right there off to the right. Up top in stainless, I have a Pro Carry 2. And right there in the middle, I have a Ultra Carry 2. All those guns I probably got for around $800. Some under, some over, so, but not by much. So, and right there at the bottom, oh yeah, also the 45s are chambered in, well, 45. But right there at the bottom, we have a Colt Mustang. It's the XSP. It's a real nice gun. It's chambered in 380 auto. Got our Kimber here. These are very nice quality guns. This guy here. FNX there. That's a pricey gun right there. It's my pistol collection. Later on, I'll be pulling out my rifles. Get you a better look at those. Got a nice selection of rifles. Well, thanks for watching. Put a like down and subscribe. Thanks.